We're at part of Balandra Beach. It's about a 20-minute rough boat ride with the wind still being a little strong. But this is one of 7 beaches in Balandra. This is where the mushrooms are. You can see it behind me there. There are a bunch of mushrooms. That's what they call it, mushroom formations. Yeah, cool little place. Water was a little chilly jumping in it at first, but it's all good now in the sun. We're carrying on to go swim with the sea lions, which will be pretty awesome. Alrighty guys, welcome back to Cerritos. We had enough of La Paz. It was great to spend some time there and tour around there. It was nice. Our Airbnb, I parked the van in the back of the Airbnb place and we were walking to the Malecon every day or to dinner or the tours or whatever. It was great not to be in the van and have somewhere to leave Uma for sure. But yeah, we are back in Cerritos. Couldn't get enough of this place, so we decided to cut our time short in La Paz and booked another Airbnb and came back here. We're actually in the tiny house behind me, if you can see. But yeah, beautiful environment here. A little fire pit center area in the tiny house. But yeah, it's so nice to be back here. The sun shining, cactuses and beautiful plants all around. It was too bad in La Paz that we didn't get to see the sea lions. The water was just too murky and we couldn't do anything. And originally we wanted to go swim with the whale sharks, but they unfortunately left the area because it was too windy. So apparently their food moves, the plankton moves to a different area. So yeah, we got pooched on that one, but that's okay. Hopefully I can do it another time. So yeah, we are back in Cerritos and heading to the beach shortly. I think my daughter's going to do some more surfing. I don't know if I'm going to or not, but we shall see. I think I'm definitely going to get a massage on the beach, so I need one. After that boat ride, man, that driver was crazy. He was just going full out the whole time. And the water was really choppy and everything. So yeah, got a little bit of back pain from that, but it's all good. We survived. And such a great time hanging out with my daughter for 2 weeks. She goes home in a couple days, unfortunately. And I go back to van life. But it's all good. Some of my friends are halfway up the coast. I think they're in the Guerrero Negro area, so I'm hoping to meet up with them somewhere in Santos Bac or Requesón or Loreto or wherever. But it'll be nice to see those guys. And go back to the States, not where I want to go, but I have to go back and finish my dental work in Los Algodones, so I have to go to Yuma. And I also have to, once my daughter goes back, she's going to mail my Starlink to Yuma, so I can get that and be back on the road with data again. I actually had to add more data to my AT&T plan, just so that I can upload videos for you guys, but that's okay. So yeah, beautiful Cerritos. I love this place, like surrounded by cactuses. Beautiful plants. I don't know what those red plants are called, but pretty sweet. Nice big fire pit. And yeah, Uma loves the beach, of course, playing with all the dogs down there. She's been great off leash. Holy cow, surprising the heck out of me. But yeah, anyhow, let's go to the beach. What's up, guys? Welcome to beautiful Cerritos Beach. Holy cow, is this place ever nice. You see why we miss this place so much? Waves are beautiful. My daughter's getting ready to surf. And the water's nice and warm. Uma's already been in. I'll be definitely going in. I don't know about surfing, like I said. But yeah, like I said, Uma's been so good off leash. It's incredible. There are other wild dogs down here, and she plays very well with them. And the people's dogs, too. But yeah, this place is freaking awesome. Could have stayed here the whole 2 weeks for sure. I'll come show you the full stretch of the beach. So yeah, there's surfing shacks all over the place. Restaurants. Massages. I'm definitely getting a massage later. Yeah, look at this cool hotel on the point there. You see humpback whales every day. Many, many of them. Look at all the surfers over there. Wow. Very cool. I freaking love this place. I might even be coming back after I drop my daughter off at the airport this week. Why not? They got RV camping just beyond those shacks there. There's a parking lot where you can RV park. I think you have to pay, but it's not very much. And they got fresh water there and stuff. So yeah, it's all good. Yeah, this is what our day consists of. We have to go back to the we had to move out of our Airbnb today. We only got it for one night. And then we're moving to another one for 2 more nights. I'm just waiting for Uma to roll in the sand like she always does. There we go. Slathering herself in sand. You're crazy. You know that? You're crazy. So yeah, loving this place. I am just going to hang out on a lawn chair for now and soak up the sun and watch my daughter surf. And then, like I said, when she comes in for a break, I am going for a massage 100%. Another thing I forgot to mention that I've seen on social media in the last week or two is that they're repairing the roads up north. Yay! So I hope they fix all the roads, because that would make coming down next year a lot more comfortable coming down, knowing that there aren't giant potholes, or you're not going to ruin a tire or an axle or leaf springs or anything. I've heard of lots of people with cracked leaf springs and busted tires. There's actually been a few fatal accidents lately. So yeah, I am going to have to report on the roads going north. Hopefully most of them are fixed and ready to go for next year. With all the crap going on with tariffs and everything else, I might not spend much time in the States when I come down next year. I might just book it to Mexico. Who knows? Certainly a lot nicer down here. Yeah, you're still surrounded by desert, but at least the ocean's nice and close. The way I like it. Yeah.